my car mat I've been searching for.
Yay! Okay, real quick, so yeah.
Outside that day when you're out, so please.
This is expired. Okay, that didn't go as planned, so I'm just gonna end up doing cheese quesadillas for everybody. John Cameron. Look at the earrings Tyler bought me. Sister bought these for the kids to try. They've never in their life had anything like this, like a TV dinner or anything, so I want to see their reactions to it.
Please.
Here they are. Here they are. Oh. Okay. Rate yours.
0 out of 1,000.
You didn't like it at all? Cameron, what do you rate it? What did you rate it?
0 out of a quadrillion.